How's it going, everybody? My name is James, and in today's video, we are going to be looking at one of the newest updates that we've made to the Edge Finder, and that's in our bank forecast tab. If you're familiar with the Edge Finder, then you know that we've already had this bank forecast tab in the Edge Finder, but we just made big changes to it that really simplified the way that this banks tab works, and I am excited to show this off for you today. So basically what we're looking at is information from all of these major banks from all over the world. As you can see here, as I scroll through this, we have some of the biggest banks, again, from all over the world. They all have research teams, markets teams, analyst teams. They may call it something different, but they all do the same thing. And what that is they will look at particular assets and they will put together a report for where they think price is heading, both on a monthly target and a quarterly target. And what we're doing is our algorithm is taking all of that information from all of these different banks' reports. We're looking at their monthly target, we're looking at their quarterly target, and then for all of these different banks here in the blue, we are averaging the monthly target together. I mean, you can take a look and see at each individual bank where they think price is heading. So, for example, if you were a big fan of, Citibank, and you wanted to know what Citibank analysts thought, where they thought Euro price was heading, Euro USD price was heading, then you can pay attention to that. But if you want the sum of all of this information together, we're looking at this monthly average right here. And the exact same thing goes for our quarterly target as well. This is working on a 3-month basis because it's a quarterly target. But the same thing applies here. We can see the quarterly average there as well. So what I'm going to do is click through a couple of these and also take a look at where price is on the chart so we can get an idea of if these market teams or analyst teams from these major banks all over the world, if they think that price is going to be going up or be going down. So let's just go ahead and start off with the euro here. We can take a look at any of these US dollar pairs as well as Bitcoin and gold when we're looking at bank forecasts. And we're starting off with the euro. And on a monthly average, these banks, again, this is all the banks combined, monthly average, they believe price is going to be around 1.08. And if we pull up the chart here, we can see that price is already inside of that 1.08 range. So what does that mean for me? That basically means that they don't see price breaking out one way or another. They don't see price having a big, a lot of momentum to the upside. They also don't see it breaking out to the downside. Most likely just going to continue to range, consolidate till the end of the month. However, if we take a look at the quarterly forecast over the next 3 months, we do see that number raise up to 1.09. Now, you can see right here, we're already not that far off from 1.09, but that's still a big range. We have all of this room inside of 1.09. And the simple way to read that is over the next 3 months, they predict that the Euro USD is going to move higher. So there's a couple different ways that you can take that. One way is, well, they predict that over the next 3 months, Euro USD is going to move up into the 1.09 range. So we could just look for, short-term targets when it looks like, or short-term entries when it looks like price is breaking out and heading towards 1.09. Or you could go a different route and place a longer-term trade, with a, if you're into stop losses with a really low stop loss, because you believe that price over the next 3 months is just going to continue to slowly rise up into this 1.09 range, and then maybe even beyond after that. So let's take a look at a few more assets. How about we look at gold, because it's up here at the top of the list. We have 4 brand new indicators built for TradingView, introducing the momentum, extension zones, trend projections, and volume spikes indicators. All 4 indicators work on every TradingView chart and time frame. You can easily see shifts in bullish or bearish momentum. Look and see if price is being overbought or oversold, which could cause a quick reversal. Automatically get a trend line that shows the true trend,
bullish trend and bearish trend based on the most recent market data. Get notified instantly of big spikes in volume to help you find breakouts. All 4 are available now at a1trading.com and can get set up in just a few minutes. Go check out our brand new line of TradingView indicators today.
So here we are looking at gold, and again, we have all of these different banks and their monthly and quarterly averages. So what do we see here? On a monthly average, they think that gold is heading to $1,972.61 an ounce. But on the quarterly average, they believe it's $1,989.44 an ounce. Now, just by looking at this, you might assume that, well, the quarterly average is higher than the monthly average, so that must mean that price is moving up. But we have to look at the current price of gold, and the current price of gold is actually over 2,000, right? So what does this mean? Banks are forecasting that the gold price is going to drop around $1,970 an ounce at first, but then slowly start creeping its way back up towards that 2,000 range. So again, banks are forecasting an initial drop in price for gold, but that it won't last too long and that price will slowly begin to start rising up towards 2,000 again. That's how we can read this bank forecast tab. I'll also say really quickly, if you like these TradingView indicators that you see on your screen here, where you can see if price is being overbought and is due for a sell-off, like you can see with these red dots here, or if you just like the momentum indicator, where it will tell you what candlestick it looks like momentum is shifting, either to the buy or the sell side. If you like these at all, you can find them and more of them on our website, a1trading.com. We do sell TradingView indicators now. They are very, very useful. And of course, if you like the Edge Finder and you want to get the Edge Finder along with this awesome bank forecast tab here, you can find that in the description or on our website as well. And don't forget to use promo code A1YT at checkout.
Did you know we do a live trading show Monday through Friday with guests from all over the world? To get notified when we go live, click the bell button next to the subscribe button or check in at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. We have helpful, free content in the description below and on our website, a1trading.com. Thanks for watching today's video, and we'll see you tomorrow.